Hey, if you're a cleaner who's running ads on Google, then you might get emails or messages from the Google Ads support team or from a Google Ads strategist or a Google Ads account manager every once in a while. These accounts managers, account strategists, whatever you want to call them, they change pretty much every quarter, and you're going to hear from different people constantly throughout the year. And sometimes you might go for long periods of time without hearing from anybody at Google. But here's what I recommend, and this is some controversial advice. If you're a cleaner and you're running ads on Google, and you're getting messages from a Google Ads account strategist, somebody at Google, that may seem like the person you want to talk to, the person who can help you with your ads, I highly recommend that you don't take their calls, that you ignore their emails, and that you don't take any of their recommendations. And here's why. Google Ads account strategists are paid to go out and talk with people who are running ads on Google and try to get them to implement strategies that supposedly are going to help the business, but ultimately, after years of watching these account strategists do this, ultimately, it seems like it really just puts money back in Google's pocket. These account strategists are going to recommend things like turning on auto-apply recommendations in your account, which basically just takes off all the guardrails and lets Google do whatever they want with your ad account. They can inject their own keywords. They can change the keywords that you're running. They can change the ads that you're running. They can run ads to different pages on your website that you didn't tell them they could run ads to previously. It gives Google complete control. So please do not take Google's recommendations to turn on auto-apply recommendations in your ad account. That's going to be probably the number one thing that your ad strategist tries to convince you to do is turn on auto-apply recommendations. Don't do that. Please don't do that with your ad account. Talk to somebody who's actually run ads, somebody at a paid media agency, a PPC agency, a Google Ads agency, or BookCleaningJobs. We run ads on Google for cleaners every single day. We're experts at this. You can come speak with us. Do not recommend turning on your auto-applied recommendations in your Google Ads account. They're also going to recommend automated bid strategies. There's nothing wrong with automated bid strategies. We recommend them here at BookCleaningJobs, but a lot of times Google Ads account strategists are going to recommend the wrong automated bid strategy. They're going to set it up incorrectly for your business. They're going to recommend automated bid strategies at the wrong time. And I've seen ad account strategists at Google derail a perfectly healthy ad account by making the wrong recommendations at the wrong time. So something to be aware of. These account strategists, like I said, they change pretty much every quarter. You're going to have somebody else assigned to your account every 3 months. Every 90 days, somebody else is going to be assigned to your account. This is not a long-term relationship. This is not somebody at Google who's taking detailed notes about your account and your goals and trying to help you grow your business. This is somebody at Google whose goal is to help you spend more money on Google Ads. Regardless of the results that you receive, their goal is to help you spend more money on Google Ads. So I would recommend ignoring these messages. Some of them look pretty crazy, by the way. I got this one an hour ago. This is for another ad account that we manage here at BookCleaningJobs. And this one, I mean, this message is so scammy that Gmail actually flagged it as being a potentially dangerous message. And it's funny because it's from somebody at google.com. So you may get messages like this about your ad account. The best thing that you can do is just ignore these messages. If you're working with a competent paid ads agency, a competent PPC agency, or if you're working with BookCleaningJobs, then you can trust that your ads are in good hands. At BookCleaningJobs, we ignore these messages from Google account managers. We don't really talk to these folks about how to manage your accounts because they're not the experts we are. In most cases, the folks at BookCleaningJobs have years and years more experience than any of these folks at Google on the account strategy team. So I highly recommend working with somebody who's actually run ads, actually gotten results for the carpet cleaning industry, and not going with Google's recommendations, because you have to remember, Google's not out there with the main purpose and the main goal, a mission statement of helping carpet cleaners succeed. Google's goal is to help people find stuff on the internet. And at some point in the last 10, 15 years, I'm pretty sure their goal became to make more money. Google Ads is how Google makes all of their money. Like 90% plus of their revenue comes from the Google Ads program. And these ad strategists are out there to try to pump the ad program and to try to get you to spend more money. So take their recommendations with a huge grain of salt, or do yourself a favor and don't take their recommendations at all. If you need help with your Google Ads account, reach out to us at BookCleaningJobs. If this video is helpful, hit like. If you want to grow your cleaning business, hit subscribe, and I'll talk with you next time.